Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome, Barofist, into another video. Guys, in today's video, I actually understand why vloggers are complaining about, vlogging is not an easy job. Because right now my shoulder hurts, because I'm holding the camera like this. I've never actually held camera like this, guys, so it might be a bit amateurish, but it doesn't matter, it's a new experience for me. And also, this kind of video is new experience for me, guys, because I've never actually built a build in my life, myself. I've usually repaired stuff, but I've never actually built from ground up a build by myself. And also, I've never actually done video showcasing a build. So maybe it will be amateurish or something, but I expect your feedback so I know where I've done something wrong, so I can improve and learn something from this experience of mine. And on the start, guys, I will try to not make this real long, just like a minute or something or talking, but I just want to say a lot appreciation and gratitude, and guys, I love you a lot for donating and stuff for this build to happen, because all these parts like PC and SSDs and all that stuff have been donated by the people that are showcased below my stream on the donate panel there. And also, I just want to say thank you to the Twitch chat, because without you guys I couldn't have done it. Like I've had some difficulties while building, you're gonna see in the video. I mean, it's sped up, but it doesn't matter. You're gonna see most of the stuff happening there. We had some bumps and stuff, and the Twitch chat helped me a lot, to overcome those difficulties. So I want to say thank you to all the Twitch chat that have been, you're gonna see your names basically on the video, because the Twitch chat is also shown as well. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video, let me know what you think below. Like the video, of course, it helps a lot, and also subscribe if you like more of this stuff and WoW stuff and all that stuff. Anyway, guys, enjoy, and talk to you at the end of the video, so... Okay, guys, good luck to me, right? Hopefully I'll not fuck up anything.
defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for. Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for.
So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you all for those who actually survived the whole video. I want to congratulate you, and also I want to thank you for watching this whole stuff, and just to remind you, like the video as well, so subscribe. It's been a nice journey, and guys, see you in the next one. Boom and off.